we had a banger last night. I had a few too many drinks. I think I had about like 4 or 5 Ronas, 4 or 5 White Claws. I had not half, but I had a lot of Pink Whitney. I drank a lot, and yeah, I kind of lost count. And if there's any footage, maybe I'll put some up right now.
Never send a threat on the internet just to point that this and don't get into that. We leaving that to the informants. Don't inform me about who informing. That's your final warning. 76 do sting like a bumblebee.
There's a lot of making out. There's a lot of throwing up on my behalf. There's a lot of jumping in the pool and swimming around, splishing and splashing. Overall, it was a good time. We just got really fucked up. And now we're gonna go get some wheels for Maya and TJ. So we gotta get that done. Yeah, I think that's out of your budget, no?
Kinda is. so is everything on this lot. I'm a poor little man.
Here, pass the torch.
Oh, 1 second, let me get inside. My dad's put me out to gamble again in the morning. Fuck me.
I got fucked last night.
Yo, you were on some next level throw up scene, bro. Point at this guy, look at this.
I had a good time.
Holy fuck.
I had a good time. Oh my god.
I don't even know half the time what happened. All I know, there was a lot of making out happening and a lot of shit was
Yeah,
going
it
on.
was you included, my G.
Streaks right there. Oh, it's on the right here. Oh, fuck. See? Go, brother, go. Oh, here we go. Oh. As you can see.
This is like is that an IS?
Yes.
What?
A wagon.
I've never seen that in my life. And I am not making it to that parking spot.
No, it's you park on this side, my G.
Should I park both sided?
Yeah.
Say less, brother.
He's got niches too on. So Mans was helpful. Shout out to Brian. Obviously I'm not gonna show you guys that too. But the total came up to that. And we got a set of niches. I'll go a little bit closer. That, and I'm gonna be having thick boys on.
Yeah, turn and a half.
Thick boys. Maya. Oh, that's a sick fucking hot rod. Same place, except she got the ESRs. Also Alexander wheels. Also she's getting thick boys on her, and that came out to
How much? Holy
27.
Bacon and
Chilled.
I've got fries, onion rings, gravy. Ew.
What do you got there, Kiki?
Got some poutine. Some I'm supposed to get 2 wraps, but I don't know where one went. We got some
She dropped
stripia.
it.
We got some rings over there, some egg and cheese and gravy and fries.
And a lot of
A lot of monster burgers here, and a lot of spring rolls. I mean, spring rolls, onion rings, and that.
And of course, the chilled.
The chilled root beers.